everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this week's last Christmas bonus video, I am making treat boxes for some of our neighbors, and this year I am trying out a new chocolate chip cookie recipe. I also have a bonus kitchen speed clean for you, so if you are looking for a yummy new cookie recipe and need a little kitchen cleaning motivation, then this video is for you. I am going to jump right in and get started on those chocolate chip cookies. The new recipe is linked down below in case you want to check it out, but I am just starting out by mixing all of the dry ingredients first, and then I am going to cream the butter and sugars before I combine everything together. Now, last year I made homemade cinnamon rolls for our neighbors. I used the Pioneer Woman's recipe and they were very good, but they took a ton of time because you had to wait for the yeast to rise and all that stuff. So I had planned to do those again, but this year has been insanely busy just for everyone, myself included. So I decided to try out this brand new chocolate chip recipe that I've had my eye on, and y'all, it was so good. The cookies were very soft and chewy, and our youngest daughter and I actually ended up making even more cookies a couple of days later because they were gone and were delicious. So if you are looking for that new chocolate chip cookie recipe that's soft and chewy, then this is it. Like I said, I'll link it below. Last year was actually the first year that we gave out treat boxes to our neighbors, and I really enjoyed doing it. I felt like it was a nice way of telling our neighbors that we appreciate them this time of year, and our two daughters really enjoyed giving them out to all of the neighbors as well. It made them feel extra special. But for this recipe, I ended up doubling everything because I needed to make about 8 cookie boxes, and I did make a little bit of a mess because there was more cookie dough than I had room in my stand mixer. But once I scooped about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dough onto a lined cookie sheet, I baked it in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. The directions said to take them out when they barely start turning brown, and I think that was the key to keep them soft and chewy. They were just, gosh, they were so good. I could not stop eating them. So like I said, if you're looking for a yummy cookie recipe, this is for you. Now, while the rest of the cookies are baking and cooling, I need to pick up the kitchen, and while I clean up my mess, please comment below and let me know what your very favorite cookie recipe is, and also let me know what you do, if anything, for your neighbors this time of year.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look that way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
At this point of the video, the kitchen is just about cleaned and my cookies are all baked and have completely cooled. So all I have left to do is just box them up. We are making about 8 cookie boxes, and I got these little containers from Target. I just lined them with parchment paper, and then I added about 8 cookies in each box before tying them up with a little ribbon. And then later that afternoon, the girls went around the neighborhood and dropped them off for me, and they had so much fun doing that. They love just making people smile and doing just special things for people. We're very lucky that we have such sweet girls. But our neighbors did text me over the course of the day and later that evening and thanked us for the cookies, and they all said that they were just as good as we thought they were too. So this is all I have for you on this video. I know it was super short, but this was just a little bonus video for you guys. But if you do need some more speed cleaning motivation as you prepare for your Christmas guests, or if you want some extra Christmas videos to keep you going, whether you have Christmas presents to wrap or more baking to do, I have set up a couple of playlists for you in the description box. I don't think that I'm going to have another video posted before the new year, so just in case I don't, I do want to take this time and wish you all a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year's. May your Christmas star shine bright, and may you and yours stay safe during the rest of the holiday season. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in 2023. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. dance, come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Hello, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Gemma.
Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. Bye.